What is up everyone? Today I'm back to bring another video about calendars, and in this video I'm going to show you the new updates of the calendars in Go High Level to make sure that you can adjust and customize any color schemes that you want in your calendars, and it's actually super easy to do. Now before I continue, for those that don't know me, my name is Jackie. I'm someone that's been able to make 10k a month over the last year of starting my online business, and here I'm going to teach you the steps on how to do it. Now if you want to know how I did this exact step by step, I have a free course for you. It's completely free because I want everyone to actually learn this properly without actually having to pay a single cent. You'll be able to find access to that in the links below. Let me know if you have any questions. But today we're going to go back into Go High Level and the calendars. So if you don't know already, Go High Level is absolutely amazing. And if you're watching this video, you probably already use Go High Level or you're thinking about using it. So there's a few new updates with the calendars. First of all, I want you to go into your Go High Level and you must be in your sub accounts. Next, you're going to go into calendar settings. Now in the calendar settings, while this loads, I'm just going to select a random one and say this physiotherapy follow-up consultation. Now if you don't know already about what the different groups, service menus, rooms and equipments are, I have another video that explains that in detail. Go watch that if you haven't already, because this is probably going to be something extra for you. And so we're going to go into this one and we're going to click the action drop down and click edit. And then in the edit section, we're going to go customizations, and you can see if we scroll down, this is the customize calendar widget, and it's only been out for a few weeks, I believe. So if you click on it, it's going to pop down with this drag down button, and you'll be able to see you can change your primary color and background color. So first, before I actually change any of this, I'm going to show you what it looks like. So if I preview, you'll be able to see this is the original part of what the calendars look like. Now if I change the primary color, so let's go, if we can go to a nice red and then click preview again, it pops up with something like this. So the red is, it changes the red of here, the numbers and part of the numbers here with the next page. Right, that's the primary color. Now if you want to change the background color, as the name suggests, it'll change the whole background color. So let's go with something more like this, like a nice little blue. Preview widget, and it pops up something like this. So there you have it. You can go in and change all of this yourself. Go match your color schemes to what maybe your business or your client business's colors are. I would suggest having a play around with this because this is actually super easy to do. It takes me 2 minutes of what I just did, and a lot of people, they've spent hours trying to figure this out. So I hope this will help you guys. But before I leave this video, there is another new feature that I want to show you guys in the calendars, and that is a one-time link. So we're back into this page now, and we're going to go and click share. All right. In this share before, they only had two options, a scheduling link and a permanent link. Now they have a one-time link where you might want to actually send this to someone, where you can generate a new link and then click copy and send it to them. You might want to do this because for either your clients or your clients' clients, where they only want them to book through one time of like a one-off meeting, because they don't want them coming back to that same link and booking multiple times when they don't want to have that meeting. So I have this problem all the time, so this is actually really important, and I think it's such a great add to Go High Level. Super impressed with what they're doing, and I know that they will continue to deliver. So if you're not already using Go High Level, what are you waiting for? Go use it. It's essential for any agency owners. I used it to start up my own agency, and now I'm having a hell of a time making money and connecting with my customers through selling white labeled SaaS. If you don't know what white labeled SaaS is, go check out my other videos. I talk about all of that. That's actually what made me from making $3,000 to $5,000 every month using my SMA agency and converting into white labeled SaaS and selling software along with my Facebook ads service. It just took my profit margins and stickiness a whole nother level. So I hope this has helped you. Let me know if you have any questions. Otherwise, below in the description is all the links that you need to know. I'll see you guys in the next video. God bless.